So first, we are going to start with a magic ring. Alright. So this is how we do it. Okay. So after making your loop, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then after that, you have to make 11 double crochet. 1, 2, 11. So at the end of the 11th double crochet, you have to arrive with 12 double crochets kasi we are going to include the first chain 3 as your first double crochet. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. When you are sure that you already have 12 double crochets, just pull the tail of your magic ring. So you will arrive with a semicircle, something that looks like this. Something that looks like a fan. Alright. When you're done, just chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then turn your work around and locate your third double crochet from the chain 6. So this is 1, 2, 3. We are going to focus on the odd numbered double crochets. So on the third double crochet, make 1 double crochet and then chain 2. After that, skip the next double crochet and go to the 5th double crochet. Make a double crochet and chain 2 again. So that is what we're going to do on the 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, and 11th double crochet. We are going to make 1 double crochet and chain 2. And finally, go to the 11th double crochet. Wait, I'm having trouble pulling it through. Alright, so when you're done, you will have something that looks like this. So you will have 5 spaces. So turn your work around. We are going to make clusters for our third row. So just chain 3 and then make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. You are going to arrive with 4 double crochets. We have the 3 double crochet that we did and the initial chain 3. After this, just make a slip stitch on the same space. Next, we are going to move to the next space here. So we are going to make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 3, and then make a slip stitch. Again, slip stitch on the next space. But this time, we are not going to settle with just 4 double crochet on each space. On this chain 6 space that we did for the second row, we are going to make 3 chains again. 1, 2, 3. And then double crochet 11 times. So we can have a total of 12 double crochets. So make it a habit to count. So before you continue with the next step, make sure that you have 11 double crochets here, the 11 double crochet and the chain 3 that we did. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so this is good. We have 12 double crochet. Now do not make a slip stitch because we are going to attach this to the first chain 3 that we did for the first row. So this is our first chain 3 on the magic ring. Just locate that and slip stitch it. Just chain 6 to that 1, space. 2, 3, 4. So close 5 and 6. Turn your work around. Locate the third double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Make a double crochet. Chain 2. After this, locate the fifth double crochet. 1, 2. By skipping 1 double crochet. Make a double crochet. Chain 2. Locate the seventh double crochet by skipping 1. Make a double crochet. Chain 2. Locate the ninth double crochet by skipping 1. Oops. Make a double crochet, chain 2. And finally, locate the 11th double crochet, make a double crochet, and then you are going to end up with the same 5 spaces from the second row. So you have to have 5 spaces. Alright. So this time, we are going to turn our work around. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then make 3 double crochet on the same space. 1, 2, 3. After that, just slip stitch on the same space. Okay, and then slip stitch on the next space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch. The same procedure So for the last chain 6 space, we are going to slip stitch. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then 11 double crochet. 1, 2, then 11. So let's make sure that we have 12 double crochets. So the 11 double crochet that we did and the initial chain 3. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. When you're done, do not make a slip stitch. So your work should look like this. Instead, you have to find this space. This is the first double crochet plus chain 2 space on the second row, and then slip stitch on that end of the third chain. Alright, so to enclose it, then chain 1, get a scissor and cut it. Alright, so just pull to make sure that it is fixed. Alright, so this is how it's going to look like. This is what it's going to look like. So it looks like a shell, an overlapping shell.